Welcome students, and in this video lecture we are going to discuss about reproductive health. So till now we have discussed about what is male reproductive system, how it functions, what is female reproductive system and how it functions, and what are the major parts of both the reproductive systems, and how the reproduction takes place, what is menstruation, etc., what is menstrual cycle, till how many days it lies, etc., we have already discussed. So in reproductive health there are basic 2-3 points, and let's discuss this. Human beings are different than other animals because they have the power of thinking. Okay, so reproductive health is very much important. This particular topic is important for your psychological benefit also, and for your studies purposes also, and for your boards also. There can be a short note which can be of 3 to 5 marks also. So prepare this particular topic for as a short note. Okay, human beings have the power of thinking. That's why they are known as social animal. They have to obey certain moral values, and these moral values, a person, it can be a male or female, who behaves like a sensible person and who is living every aspect of life following these moral values, is known as socially accepted animal, right? So beginning of puberty does not mean that a person is psychologically ready for the process of production. It doesn't ever mean that that person can be ready for the process of reproduction, and that's why there has been a age gap provided to human beings so that they can become psychologically mature and psychologically more sound, and physiologically more active as well as more strengthened. In biology we study about life forms, we study about your body, the physique, but there is a huge impact of psychology on your body, right? तो बॉडी का साइकोलॉजिकली प्रिपेयर होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. अगर बॉडी साइकोलॉजिकली मीन्स मेंटली अगर प्रिपेयर नहीं होगी फॉर एनी प्रोसेस, इफ़ यू, अगर आपको भूख लगी है और आपको भूख लगी है लेकिन आपको ऑयली फूड खाने का उस समय मन नहीं है, यू वोंट बी एबल टू टेक इट. अगर आपको उस समय सिर्फ सिंपल फूड खाना है and you get more and more oily food, you cannot take up oily food for 5 to 6 days continuously because your body is not prepared for that. And if you are going to take it, it is definitely going to harm you, it will harm you. So same is on your same impact of this, all these things comes on your body. It can be male, it can be female, it can be anyone. So a person should be psychologically active and psychologically sound, physiologically sound and mentally sound, and must be ready for the process of reproduction. Only then it can he or she can get involved in the process of reproduction and can produce a new life, a new offspring, a new fetus into the world, right? So as any act of sex has the potential of fertilization, कोई भी सेक्स का एक्ट हो उसमें टेंडेंसी होती है फर्टिलाइजेशन की. सो टेकिंग केयर ऑफ कॉन्ट्रासेप्शंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो in the case when we are talking about contraceptions, there are various contraceptions we will be discussing later in this video only. And if we are not taking care of contraceptions, there are chances that we can get disease, same as in this era, in this particular time which is going on currently. We are facing one viral disease, that is corona. If you are not going to take care of yourself, अगर आपको कफ हो रहा है, स्नीजिंग हो रही है, फीवर हो रहा है, दैट कैन बी वायरल डिजीज़ ऑल्सो, दैट कैन बी कोरोना ऑल्सो. यू मस्ट गेट टेस्टेड. लेकिन उससे पहले क्या है, आप अपने आप का बचाव कैसे करेंगे, खुद को आप बचाएंगे कैसे, तो वो ज़रूरी है. मेडिकेशंस तो हैं ही, ठीक है. सो हेयर देयर इज़ अ थॉट, prevention is always better than cure, very much suits over here. So it is important, contraception is important. If you are not taking care of these contraceptions, you might get infected, and these infections are different from bacterial infections and other common diseases. These type of diseases which we get communicated or we get into contact sexually, these type of diseases is known as sexually transmitted diseases, sexually STDs, in short form STDs. STDs or sexually transmitted diseases are uh, transferred from one person to another person when both the persons are sexually intimate or interacted with each other. Examples of STDs are gonorrhea, it is a kind of STD, herpes, syphilis, AIDS. AIDS is a very common disease and not that curable, right? So AIDS is caused by a virus, HIV, human immunovirus. Hepatitis B also a STD, it is a sexually transmitted disease. So AIDS and hepatitis B both are viral diseases until now. Both are incurable till date. So it's better to take preventive measures than to get into certain kind of diseases which are incurable till now, right? Even the curable STDs are potential dangerous, not only physically but also psychologically. They have a very psychological effect in your body, on your mind also, and physically they can easily damage or destroy your health and your physical strength. So taking care of this is very much important. And next is reproductive health involves preventing the chances of STD. Basic motive of adding this particular paragraph to your uh, NCERT book or to your course is that rather getting into diseased, it can be any disease, I'm not talking about STDs, it can be any disease, it can be your influenza virus, viral disease, and other common diseases such as bacterial diseases. They can be salmonella typhi causing typhoid, they can be vibrio cholera causing cholera, there can be mycobacterium tuberculosis causing TB. You need to protect yourself. So अगर आपने डिजीजेस चैप्टर पढ़ा है ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिजीजेस चैप्टर पढ़ा है लास्ट ईयर 9th क्लास में आपने पढ़ा था, व्हाई डू वी फॉल इल ड्यू टू सम बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, फंगल इन्फेक्शंस एक्सेट्रा. सो हियर इट इज़ अ इम्पॉर्टेंट ऑफ रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ. तो क्वेश्चन ये बनता है कि वाई इट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट टू स्टडी अबाउट रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ, बिकॉज so that we can prevent ourselves from getting the chances of STDs and preventing unwanted child. When a person is not prepared for getting into reproduction process or getting children in their future, we can prevent that particular process by having a sound knowledge of reproductive health. Reproductive health means a couple should be able to enjoy the reproductive phase of its life without taking the burden of genetic family, means large family. Okay, so further we will be discussing what are the barriers, methods or contraceptive methods which should be adopted by human beings. Okay, so the birth control methods are mentioned over here. These are the 4 birth control methods you can also see in your books on page number 139. So natural method, chemical method, mechanical method as well as surgical method. Natural method is the naturally you can control the birth control, right? uh, these are the barrier methods. Chemical methods are contraceptive or spermicides you can use, contraceptive pills you can use. And mechanical methods are the condom, diaphragm, femiderm, IUDs, intrauterine devices. And surgical method is the vasectomy and tubectomy. Okay, so in natural method you can choose to have not to have sex or no sexual intercourse during the woman is fertile. Okay, in chemical methods you can go to the contraceptive pills, a daily pill that contains hormones to change the way body works and destroys the sperms inserted vagina vaginally and prior to the intercourse. ये spermicide और contraceptive pills सबका यही work होता है, right? Mechanical methods are condoms, a thin sheet that it covers the penis during intercourse, and diaphragm prevents. It is a rubber disc shaped, which is flexible rim that covers the cervix. So sperm, right? And femidem intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices is also known as the copper T devices. It is mentioned in your book, and this is the copper device, which is a plastic T-shaped device which is inserted into the uterus by, okay, so these are the IUDs. By professional care, it can, with the help of doctors only, it can be done. It is used in females. So IUDs are inserted. IUDs are inserted in the females like this. So it creates a barrier in the fallopian tube. Here from the ovary, right here from the ovary, the ovums are produced, and these are carried out to the fimbriae here in the fallopian tube and comes to the uterus. And when IUDs are inserted, so they provide a barrier. They create a barrier over here, and the ovum does not able to come in this particular area. Okay, so next is vasectomy, tubectomy. What do you understand by vasectomy? Vasectomy is the process in which surgically vas differences cut and they are tied up. These are vasa difference, we have already studied. vasa difference जो होते हैं वो ट्यूब्स होते हैं, मैन के स्पर्म के कैरियर्स होते हैं. तो कहाँ से ये टेस्टिस से आपके यूरेथ्रा या यूरे ब्लैडर के उधर से पैसेज प्रोवाइड करते हुए आ रहे थे, एंड these are the carrier of many sperm. Tubectomy की जब हम बात करते हैं तो tubectomy takes place in females, and it is a surgical process through which the fallopian tube is cut and tied, right? They are tied and cut, and further these are the surgical process, vasectomy and tubectomy, and these are the process which cannot be reversed. Other barrier methods that can be used and can be removed, and further the pregnancy can take place, but using these surgical methods there cannot be further pregnancy taking place. Okay, and you can see the diagram over here. It is the testis diagram, and here is the seizing portion. Cutting is done, and after cutting this incision, these are tied. This is known as vasectomy, and in this tubectomy the diagram is mentioned over here. Here the fallopian tube is cut. Okay, fallopian tube को यहाँ से कट करके टाई कर दिया जाता है, तो जो ओवम का प्रोडक्शन होगा वो यहीं तक आएगा. ओवम प्रोड्यूस तो करेगा बट वो यहीं पे डाई कर जाएगा. ये यहाँ से यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा, तो यूट्रस में फ्यूजन नहीं होगा. Okay class, so this was about the barrier methods or the contraceptive methods which are adopted to avoid pregnancy. Okay, so contraceptions we have covered. Till now I have covered many topics: male and female reproductive part, human health, reproductive health, and sexual reproduction in flowers, etc. If you have any query, you can ask in the comment section, and do complete your exercises which are given on the page number 141, and you can ask any question if you want, if you haven't got till now. Okay, but do give it a reading of your NCERT. Do read the whole chapter and practice all the diagrams, and mark the important lines which I have mentioned in this video or the other videos of this chapter. Okay, thank you class.